Apply a thin, consistent band instead of heavy spraying to avoid over-application with the Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprayer. When you prepare the sprayer, set the nozzle to a fine, even pattern and test on a scrap surface to confirm flow rate. Walk at a steady pace and keep the nozzle 2 to 3 inches from the target surface to form a uniform band rather than a blotchy deposit. Move your arm in smooth passes parallel to the area and overlap each pass by about 20% so coverage is even without buildup. If the product label calls for a specific dilution or applied rate, measure carefully with a graduated container and mark the tank fill level so you do not exceed the recommended volume. For corners, edges, and spot concerns, make a second, controlled pass rather than increasing output on the first pass. That lets you touch up only where needed. Rinse and inspect any treated surface after a short drying interval to confirm there are no wet streaks indicating excess. Most people spray too close or linger in one spot, which creates puddles that waste product and can damage plants or surfaces, so keep constant distance and motion. Another frequent issue is overfilling the tank or ignoring the label rate, which leads to over-application. So always measure and mark the fill line and follow label instructions precisely. Some operators think more product gives better control, but that just creates runoff and residue. If coverage looks light after the first pass, do a deliberate second pass rather than increasing pressure or opening the nozzle wider. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest control and other home projects. On our site, we also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips and experiences about tools like the Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprayer.